Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's open first the notification panel here, and now just to add, remove or change the positions of some icons, we should click here on this edit icon, and now we can see here this down section was this invisible icons. Now just to add them here, just hold it and drag them here to this up section, and now they will when we'll go back, we can see this new two icons here on our top bar here. If you want to remove some icons from here, by the same way, just hold it and drag it here to this down section by the same way. As you can see, that's so simple. And if you want to change the position of the icons, just hold it and drag. So as we can see, that's here is nothing difficult. And then just to save the changes, click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.